In this second example of the filter layers box, we want to search for a tree layer. As we type the word tree, the layers list begins to shorten to only those matching the search term. However, we still end up with a long list of candidates. These are layers with names that partially match the search term. If we pluralize the word tree by adding an S, the search is refined to only 2 layers. The second of these is from the Recreation and Parks Department and only consists of trees inside parks. This is not the layer we need. The first layer, on the other hand, contains trees in the public right-of-way for the entire city of Los Angeles. This is the layer we're looking for. It's turned off by default, so you must toggle it on to view it. If you're zoomed too far out of the map, the layer will appear grayed out and disabled until you zoom in close enough to pass the layer's defined scale threshold. Once activated, you can hover over a tree feature or select it to view information about it in the report window. You can also expand the layer's legend to view each of the different symbol categories. The key takeaway in this example is that sometimes a minor edit to your search term can significantly improve your search results, so don't be shy about modifying it if you're unsure of the layer name. If you need a refresher on how to use the filter layers box, click on the Help button on the top right corner of the Table of Contents panel to refresh your memory. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question, or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen: eng.navigate@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.